Hello everyone and welcome back to Server again. Within this video we are going to learn what are the benefits of containers. So first of all we should understand that containers are very resource intensive. Like these are going to utilize only those resources which are quite necessary. Like traditional VM virtual machines or operating systems, these are not going to utilize unwanted resource. So these are not resource intensive. It means we can save our money with that. Second thing, containers are fast because they do not run on any hypervisor. They are utilizing, all the containers are utilizing kernel of your base machine. They do not need any separate hypervisor to run. Then after you can talk about portability. You can migrate your environment from one infrastructure to another very easily. How you are going to build your image out of your code? You push it to Docker Hub, you download it from Docker Hub, and you can run it on any platform. So it means your portability is completely increased. Then after, better application deployment feature is available there. You can easily deploy your application as soon as you have your code ready. You can deploy it without any delay. You can ship your code as container and your containers will be automatically handled by your Docker Swarm. Docker Swarm is a feature of Docker container. So we will discuss this in upcoming videos, but for your reference that this is an advantage of Docker container. Now very next question is that why do we need to use Docker? So obviously we can save money using Docker, because this question has been asked to so many people, like can we save money using Docker? Yes, we can save. Reason being, Docker is free and open source. You can customize and modify Docker as per your requirement if you want. Otherwise, Docker has so many features which can be utilized by default. Then after, if you talk about resources, so for sure, if you are utilizing Docker on your operating system, so all the resources which are available on your machine, so these are utilized very efficiently. Unlike your virtual machine, it does not have unwanted processes running. For example, if you want to run Nginx within your virtual machine, so you need not to have all the processes running just to keep your server up and running. Just to keep your virtual machine up and running, you need not to have those many processes within a container. You don't need them. Then after, if you talk about you are going to pay only for what you are going to use. For example, if you are running Nginx, so you are paying only for those resources which you are paying. For example, if you talk about AWS, so AWS has Fargate implemented within it, and you shall be paying only for that what you are going to use. It means Docker makes it easy to save your money. Then after, if you talk about maintenance, so it is quite easy. Once you deploy your containers, so all the containers are handled by Docker itself automatically. It helps you to provide software delivery really faster. For example, if your developer is merging code 20 times in a day, so for sure you can deliver or you can deploy your code 20 times in a day without any problem. You can automate your infra in such a manner with the help of Docker that there shall be no downtime. All the code is delivered as soon as that is committed to your source code repository. Now, very next one is, can we run Docker on Windows? Yes, we can run. So Docker supports Linux, Windows, and Mac, all the operating system. Docker is available for all the platforms. So we will see this thing in action, that how to install Docker on Linux, whether that is RHEL, Ubuntu, or CentOS. Then after, Windows and Mac OS as well. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good time. Happy learning. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, so please do write in comment box. I shall be happy to assist. Thank you.